guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today for New Year's, which is past now, but I really want to make some fun. So basically we'll be making a confetti machine thingy today, what you do by hand. It's all cool and it's nothing too hard, so let's get right in. So what you'll need is a box. This is just some gift thing. So yeah, we'll need a box, we need some paper. Scrap paper would be best because then when you this will be the confetti part. But if you don't have scrap paper, then plain paper would do. And you'll need some knives, like cutting knives or scissors. Both would work fine. So yeah, let's get right in. So firstly, taking your box, you're going to want to cut the back off. So the back is off now. You need this part here as well as the back, so don't throw anything in the bin. So what you're going to want to do is you might want to tape these parts in if your boxes are going to be just like mine, where it's going to fall to bits-ish, because you need this part here because this is where your confetti is going to go. I quickly went ahead and just taped it up right now. So taking your knife or something, you're just going to want to measure it out because it goes from here, so you're going to want to cut a bit of this part here off. I'm going to make it 1.5 centimeter. I'm going to make the hole, and I'm going to take my scissors wherever I have put them. Where are my scissors actually? So I found my scissors and I'm just going to go through the line and practically go to the end. So there we go. And we'll do the same onto the other side now. So once that's done, this obviously will not fit in because I now have to knock off 2 centimeters from the edge. So I'm going to mark it and draw it up on the line. I'm going to take my scissors and cut along my 2 centimeter line. So you're going to keep one of these sides, but you're going to chop the other side of it off. You're going to take your box back and see if it fits in, because you're going to put it through this line that you've made. If it doesn't fit, you have to chop off a bit more. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Going to push it through and find it on the other side now. Once that's done, and that's all through there, like that, you're just going to want to now start making your confetti, because then you're going to put it all inside here. So by taking your pieces of paper, whatever it is, it can be card or whatever, I'm literally just going to start using whatever I have here. And I'm just going to start by filling it up. So even use the scrap parts that we just cut up of the box, because it'll make it look even nicer. Because this is just going to be some fun, because you'll just pull this part here out and all your confetti will fall out. You really don't need much confetti for this. So you're just going to put it through this hole here. And you're just going to sort of, what I found out is that you need to put these things on the side, otherwise the confetti will fall out. So you can do it like that. And you want it to be pretty like even out. And you see this part here on the side? You chuck it over someone's head. You put it over someone's head or something. It's funny for them. And you push it in and ka-ching-a-bling, it all comes down. So let's go and see that on camera. So I have my favourite cuddly toy, Hefty. And let's get the confetti thing all ready. Now let's even it out quite a bit. And ka-ching. There we go. It's really great and good fun. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks.